to tell a story of the Bug Woman, how I create that character. It's originally a photo that I took in Alanya beach very early morning. The shadows are so long because sun hasn't risen yet, and these shadows, it's a strange form because it's so long. Look at this one, for example, this one, especially this one. I'm holding a handbag. It's and the leg is so big and tall, and the top body is so small and short. So first, these are raw photo. My camera was Canon camera, semi-professional, and then I use all these shadows on the Photoshop program, making different shadows top of each other, layer by layer, and changing color and texture, etc. And then I create this digital art. This is also two shadows together. This is beach, this is pebbles. So two shadows, two layers shadows on the Photoshop. It's a digital art. And this one also, it's me taking camera. My hand is holding camera, other hand is on my belly, and this is the plastic ordinary beach chairs. And these are another photo that I took pebbles, and these are another photo of the wave with the foam. And this is also, I'm standing on the beach, hang up my foot on the bridge, and then I'm also here, another shadow on the beach taking photo. Always I'm holding a camera. My hand is busy holding with camera, and I have a shirt, and short is so strange form. So this kind of strange form helped me to create a strange character. For example, this one. This is like an artwork. I like it. Two shadows here, and this is on the. This is pedestrian stones, and old house wall, and plants, and my shadows. And then these continue. There are lots of. So I want to make a short video. Anyhow, for these shadows, now I worked one of the figures here, this one, on the beach holding a towel. I worked this one, my working end up with this figure. Then I put on a lino plate. I'm gonna re-stitch. I'm gonna do it with the ink, which is marker, never go away. So I create some pattern backside, some geometrical forms. This is the story of the Bug Woman. I mean, Bug Woman originally, Shadows 2004 in Alanya, Cleopatra Bridge. I'm so happy that this project bring me now this interesting shadows here and Bug Womans. Oh, this is my first Bug Woman. Not first, but a very early period Bug